In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable under construction mode on WordPress. We'll start from your WordPress.com dashboard. Head to the Sites section so you're looking at the site you want to work on. This is your home base for managing everything, and it's the quickest way to keep visitors from seeing an unfinished site while you build. Next, open Plugins from the left-hand menu. This is where you can add features to your site. In the plugin directory, use the search bar and type Under Construction. You're looking for the plugin called Under Construction Page by Web Factory. It's a popular choice designed to show a friendly maintenance or coming soon page to visitors while you work behind the scenes. Click into the plugin's details page to review what you're installing. Start with the description to understand what the plugin does, the kinds of templates it includes, and how it handles access for logged-in users versus visitors. Then check the installation section to see how it's set up on WordPress.com, including any prompts you might encounter. Take a moment to scan the changelog so you know it's actively maintained and compatible with the latest version of WordPress. Finally, glance through the FAQs to quickly answer common questions, like how to allow specific users to bypass the under construction screen, or how to customize the message. When you're comfortable, click Get Started. WordPress.com will guide you through connecting this plugin to a site. You'll see options to choose or connect a domain. If you need a new address, select Search Domains and follow the suggestions. If you already have one, choose the Already Have a Domain option. Once you've made your choice, click Continue to move forward. From here, WordPress.com completes the setup and ties the Under Construction Page plugin to your site. After the setup flow finishes, you'll be able to open the plugin settings from your dashboard and turn Under Construction mode on. That's typically a simple toggle, with options to pick a design, customize the message, and control who can see the site while you work. If you don't see plugins in your menu, you may need to adjust your plan to enable plugins on WordPress.com. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Once Under Construction is enabled, visitors will see your maintenance page, but logged-in administrators will still see the site normally, so you can edit without interruption. If you use any caching or a CDN, give it a moment to update before checking the live view. And when you're ready to launch, return to the plugin settings